Hello everyone, welcome to Chesspedia. So till now we have seen how pawn moves, how bishop moves, how rook moves, how queen moves. Now we look at the most peculiar piece, that's knight. Its power is 3 but it is very peculiar because of the movement it has. It can jump and it can go in an upward L shape movement. This is the L shape. So like this L shape, two straight squares and then one turn. And it can jump also over pieces. So these are the square which this knight can cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the peculiar power of this knight. So let's play some moves. Two moves straight and then a turn. Two moves straight and then turn here or here. So that's how it goes. Two moves straight, then turn here and here. Two moves straight and turn here or here. Two moves straight, then turn here or here. Okay. So let's play it at 1, 2, 3. In this lecture, I will show a special rule which I think you won't find in books as such, and it is very powerful rule. And so these are the 8 moves. Let's play some different moves like this. Now suppose it goes like here, we can go here. You can see the L shape. The L shape goes here. It can go here. Like we can move around. This is the power of the knight. The moves. Let's go to another. Here two knights. They are just moving around like this and that. Just understand the movement. There is a knight tool also, and people say that a knight can cover whole chessboard. Queen, rook, and knight are the only pieces who can cover the whole chessboard by different moves. Okay, I think, and there are more than 30 million possibilities. You imagine more than 30 million possibilities of such tours like this. If it goes like, suppose like here, it goes like this, so it can cover all the squares on the chessboard, and there are more than 30 million such combinations. So that's how powerful it is. How unique. Now it in center, it is very powerful. It can capture all the 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It can capture all 8 pieces like this. 1, 2, 3. I am not showing the others. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now we go to a jump thing. Now you know, if another piece would have been here, like you have seen in past example, it would have been trapped and killed or cannot move. Like we have seen a bad bishop, which is totally trapped by the pawns. But knight can jump. 1, 2, 3. Peculiar move. Let's play something else first. Get this out of check. Okay. So knight can jump like this. Can jump like this. The L shape, it goes here. So knight in this case can go to all these places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It can jump. So the obstacle have no problem, whether it's friendly or enemy, doesn't matter. It can jump. Now power of knight. We have told earlier that there is no absolute power. Power is relative. Even if both are same pieces, both are not equally powerful. It depends upon the location and the number of square they cover. So here we have two knights, this and this. But this is at the corner, so power is severely limited. And before that, I will go back to another example. Let's say this one, okay, or let's say this one, okay. I want to show you something else actually. Now see, in the center it covers 8 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have seen that, right? But had it been corner, the power is severely restricted. Let's see how. Now it is in corner. Now how many squares can cover? 1, 2, 3, L shape, L shape, L. Only 3 square it is covering. Suppose it is in really bad corner, like suppose I play this here. It's in the extreme corner, suppose. It's in the exact corner, so only 1 and 2 squares. So that's how from 8 square in the center, it is controlling only 2 squares in the corner. So that's how the power. A corner knight is a very bad knight. Okay, same here. See a corner knight. It can have only one capture. That's all. No other move. It cannot capture the same friendly piece. So only one capture. That's all. Whereas this knight, one capture, two capture, three move, and fourth move. So this is a power and absolute and relative power difference. It's all about the moves, the square to control the cover. That's how you rate a piece. Okay, now we come at a very important concept, this example. So in this example, we have to capture this pawn. We don't know how to do it. The right number of moves, minimum number is 3. Kaise? 1, 2, and 3. like this. But let us play these 1, 2 and 3. But if we make one mistake like playing something like this, we cannot reach it in 3 moves now at all. No matter what you do, whatever you play, you try it, you will not reach it. So, one mistake and we could not reach it. So, how to recall such things, that suppose I have to reach this square or this square or that square, how? So, there is a simple rule which we found out. Let us do it like this. Suppose knight is at this place. So, you draw a cross like this. So, whatever comes in that cross is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So, to reach these cross square, these 4 cross square, knight will take 3 moves, right. Now, cover this cross. So, 3, this is next is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Now, cover these also, we have to cover these 3 completely. So, it will become these also 2, these also 2, these also 2, these also 2. So, we all these yellow square we need 2 moves. Suppose we go here and here 2 moves, we go here and here 2 moves. Now, beyond that 3, 2, 1, 1 is the rule here. Let us make it green, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Now, only 4 squares are remaining, that will make the square. So, suppose diagonal wise, so that is 4, 4, 4, 4. You play it out, you will understand the concept, and it is very powerful concept. So, 4, 1, 2, 3, more easy, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 and corners are 4. So, now we know this example, this is on the just nearby the square, the arrow, the plus sign. So, this is 3 moves. So, this is very important in the AND games and many other games, we know how many moves it required to capture a particular piece. Now, this is an example. Now, tell me how many moves to capture this pawn, it is on this thing, right. So, 3 to 1 rule is 3, so it is 3. This bishop 3, 2, 1, so this is 1. This rook 3, 2, so this is 2, let me make it green. So, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 and this is the diagonal this one. So, this is 4. So, see this is so easy now, otherwise you would have been calculating how to do, what to do, but this is so easy, a 3 to 1 rule. So, please understand it and let us go to our last example. Now, how many moves required to capture this? This is very easy, we simply know 3 to 1 rule, after that the square corner. So, it is a the blue one, let us say it is a 4 move. So, now see it is so near, yet you need 4 moves. So, this is very important, deciding when there are AND games with pawn and knight, because you have to see which side pawn has to go, which side king has to go, or which side knight has to go. Okay. So, I hope this lecture is clear to you all. If there is anything you want to don't understand or you have any suggestion, please tell us in the comments. Thank you.